Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Let's solve a very important LeetCode problem, longest common prefix. Though this problem is easy, but it's good. Like this problem is multiple time got asked in phone interview rounds of Facebook and Google as well. So I can show you the tagged here. So see, in last 6 months itself, Amazon, Facebook, Adobe and Google 3 times. Like this problem, that's important. So you should solve this problem, and this problem basically cover the basic idea of a string and how to write the code. If you have done basic programming, then nothing in this problem, but I am covering for the beginner level and also cover the questions that might come up in follow up in the interviews. So in this problem, given a is array of strings and we need to find out the longest common prefix in all of these strings. So how to approach this kind of problem? So let's understand over here. So first of all, like what we can do, we just check if there is no string token itself in our, if array is empty, then we just return empty string as the answer, because nothing is common in the prefix and this is the answer. And if there are a bird, if there are a bird in that string, so what we can do, we will treat, like first we can treat the first one as a prefix, like this is the largest common prefix. So we will start with this and assume this will be can be the prefix among all the rest of the word. Then what we can do, one by one we iterate through this array of a string and we can compare this current prefix with the new word, like next word, next string token, and whatever match in that, the minimum, like whatever the common prefix, we will take and update the prefix by that. So in every iteration we will keep updating the prefix, and in the end we will get the answer, which is the prefix. So as for this initially prefix, so let me write it down. So prefix shorthand P, initially it is started with the flower, then we compare flower and flower, then again it is flower, then we compare it with the flow. So with flow and flower, the flow is the prefix, so flow will be the next prefix, common prefix, largest one. Next we will compare it with flight. So in flight, just FL is the common in both of these, so just now our prefix will become FL is the largest common prefix in all these three strings, flower, flow and flight. So this is the answer. So as you can see over here, this is the answer. So you can try to code yourself with first, and if you are not able to code, then you can watch the video, continue it. So like for the solution, let me quickly start writing the code. For the code, what we can do, we will define a prefix. So before that we will write a base case where the string is empty itself, there is nothing in the string array. So if string dot length is 0, then we just return the empty string. Otherwise we will initialize prefix string with the first token, so string as 0, and then we iterate through all the, let's say, string as in strs, and we will have to find out the common prefix between the prefix and the current string as. So for that, what we can do, let's define a integer, or that is better, initialize from the index 0. Now we iterate character by character in both the string, the prefix as well as the current string as. And when, how long we need to run this? Until. So let's define another character over here, or just let's better to define another pointer j. So the I is for, let's say, prefix and j is for the s. So what we need to do, I less than prefix dot length and j less than s dot length, and the value at the both character, like 1 by. So as we need to compare character by character, so there is no point to use two pointer, but I am just using so that it is very clear, but we will merge later for optimizing more this code. So for this we will check if prefix dot caret I is equals to s dot caret j. So we are getting same character in both the pointers, so we will update both pointer by 1, I plus plus j plus plus. Once is done, after that if it is break anywhere, till that point we have the common number of characters, so that will be our new prefix, common prefix. So we will update the prefix string by s dot substring from as till the length j. So that's it, and in the end we just return this prefix as the answer. So let's try to run the test case and compile the code. Oh, there is a type wrong code because I put this should be 0 to j, not the j2, because in substring method this, if we pass one pointer as an index, that will take the initial index and the last will be automatically the length of string. So we are getting the correct answer. So as I was explaining, we can combine this code by using one pointer itself. So let's remove j pointer now, or just comment it out so it you can, so we don't need, instead of this what we need to do condition, that will be minimum of both the length. So math dot min of length of either prefix dot length or the length of the s string. If it is whatever minimum, run that I loop till that, and now we need to use the I at both the places and just increment I pointer, and now over here use I. So that is, let's recompile this code and submit this code. So now you can see it's got accepted, and the time complexity of the solution, as you can see, this loop we are running O of n, and we are comparing every time d character. So if there are common prefix string, the average length of each word is d, so the overall time complexity of this solution will become O of n into d. D is the average length or the maximum length of this. Another approach you can do, instead of like comparing this each word and updating this prefix, what you can do, we can loop over in the same code. We can find out first the minimum length and the index of that word or the string token in that. So let me define int min, initialize from the integer dot max value, and as well as the index of that min, let's initialize from 0 initially. And now we iterate over all the character by index, like as we need to note down the index. So that's why I am iterating through this array of string by the index, and then we will check if the minimum is less than current string strs string length. If it is less than that, then we will update minimum as well as we will update our index by I. So let me copy paste this, and index is I. Once we know the index of minimum length string, then we just initialize this prefix with the index, that string token, but again we need to do the same. So this basically little bit improve the comparison, lot of comparison here. Just we need to compare the minimum length. So the overall let me recompile this code. This code we can reuse it, and this will also get accept. Now this time complexity will become, instead of d, now we were saying the average, or worst case this can be very big, this we can say minimum length of token, like that is the prefix. So if you like this solution, you can hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also share this video in your circles so that it will help, and also I am keep creating the videos for the top interview problems, so you can practice those problems. Are very important if you are starting preparation for coding interview. I would suggest like better to first focus on top interview tagged problem in the LeetCode. Thanks.